This time to honor today's four-state hero, Sergeant William Buckley, who served in the United States Air Force from 1966 to 1967 in Vietnam. His hometown, Chautauqua, Kansas. We are proud to salute William Buckley, our four-state hero.
The birthday list begins with Maylee Smith celebrating her third birthday. Great smile right there. Happy birthday, Big Maylee in Parsons.
And Veda Huser turning 9 years old this year in Fredonia. Happy birthday, Veda.
It was a busy day on her birthday because Veda's grandparents, Mark and Gerald Huser, right there, they were celebrating their anniversary. They're now celebrating their 40th anniversary. Congratulations to Mark and Gerald.
Aww. Chloe Sue Starsick turning 10 years old this year in Arma, Kansas.
We've got double digits on the board as well for Brinley Burns as she turns 10. A happy birthday, Brinley, in St. Paul with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Lakin Sullivan is 11 this year in Frontenac.
What up, Lakin? C-squared, Caleb Carpenter, now a teenager, as he celebrates 13 years. Happy birthday to you, Caleb, in Fort Scott.
And Julius Courtney turning 14 years old with love from your mom and Mia.
Also 14, Addie Finley. A special happy birthday to Addie there. She celebrates in Chanute.
Chloe Black is 18 in Carthage, senior at Carthage High School. And it says here she's about to attend Missouri Southern coming up. Congratulations. Happy birthday, Chloe.
And right next to her is her mom, Amy Black. Amy turning 45 years old. Amy, congratulations. Chloe, congratulations. And best of luck on your future endeavors as well. And of course, if Chloe's in Carthage, there's a good chance that Amy's in Carthage as well.
All right. And Michael Bullard is 29 this year in Neosho. Happy birthday from Mom, Chanel, Sister Kennedy, and Dad John.
These birthday wishes, they're coming from Grandma, Grandpa, and the entire family for Jennifer Collins. Jennifer, a happy 32nd in Nevada.
Stanton Salisbury is 35 this year.
What up, dude?
Celebrating in Pittsburgh with love from the whole family. Happy birthday, Stanton.
Happy birthday, Stanton. Hey, Tim Adam. He's celebrating his 41st birthday. Happy birthday to Tim, and birthday love from the whole family. Great looking picture right there. Mr. Tim celebrates in Pittsburgh.
Alvin Myers is celebrating birthday number 43 this year. Happy birthday, Alvin.
Steve Jacquino, 66th birthday. We turn back the clock for Steve on this one. A happy birthday to you, Steve, in St. Paul.
Ron Maroon turning 70 years.
Hey! No, go ahead.
Ron is in Pittsburgh.
I just see him on the list. You're not going to find a nicer dude right there. People don't realize what he does for the community because he doesn't want credit for anything. I know what you do, man. I know what you do. Everybody, a lot of people know what you do. Happy birthday, Ron.
See that little girl in the picture though?
Yeah.
That's Ron's granddaughter.
That's right.
That's Ari Jackson, who's turning 2 years old this year. Also in Pittsburgh.
In Humboldt, Alice Perez celebrating her 81st birthday. Alice, a very happy birthday to you. And also pictured is Eno Perez, Alice's husband. Or maybe I should call Alice Eno's wife. I'm not sure. Happy birthday to Alice and Eno. They are both in Humboldt. And Alice probably gives him a hard time because when the birthday rolls around, she always reminds him that he's always 1 year older.
Yep, that's right. Let's see, Shirley Griffith turning 86 years old this year in Columbus. Happy birthday, Shirley.
Over the weekend, we had Sarah Marshall celebrating a birthday. Never forget Sarah Marshall. Miss Sarah, she is out in Oswego.
Lori Watts Como celebrating a birthday in Carthage. Her birthday was actually on Saturday.
What she do? Get
love from the whole
Stadium?
family.
She got Arrowhead Stadium to herself on her birthday. Not bad.
I know Miss Lori has a special love for the Chiefs. Yes, she does.
That's a cool picture there.
Happy birthday, Lori.
Andy and Heather Peterman, they're celebrating their 2nd anniversary. What a great picture right there. Congratulations, Andy and Heather. The Petermans are in Columbus. And who that is?
What? It's Will's birthday? I did not know that. Our very own Will York, graphic artist.
I'd give him a hard time on Fridays telling him he's going to have to make his own birthday graphic. Well, for those of you that don't know, Will is our graphic artist and also administers our 4 State Heroes website. And each and every morning when we sit down and we do the birthdays and anniversaries, it is the handiwork of one Will York. Will, you know that we love you, and a very happy birthday from down here in the studio through the soundproof lounge. You the man.
Happy birthday, Will. And Dustin Major is celebrating birthday number 43 in Columbus. Madison Marietta in Frontenac, happy birthday to you. And Jason and Melissa Earl are celebrating their 19th anniversary this year in Jasper.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, whether you're celebrating on this Monday, May 3rd, or if you celebrated over the weekend. I was amazed about how many birthdays we had with everybody being related on this list today. That's so cool. You know, we had moms, daughters, husbands, wives. It's great. We had grandpas and granddaughters. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.